At least 9 people have been killed and more than 70 injured in Kyiv after Russia carried out one of the most devastating air attacks against Ukraine for months, with Kharkiv and other cities across the country also targeted overnight. Waves of drones as well as ballistic and guided missiles struck the Ukrainian capital early on Thursday. There were explosions for much of the night, beginning around 1 a.m. local time, and the rattle of anti-aircraft fire as Ukrainian defenses tried to shoot the missiles down. Some residents spent a sleepless night in the subway, which doubles as a missile shelter. Kharkiv, Ukraine's second city, was also hit by 7 missiles and 12 kamikaze drones in strikes throughout the night. According to Kharkiv's mayor, Ihor, Terekhov, several private houses, a factory, and a high-rise apartment block were hit. One of the most recent strikes hit a densely populated residential area. 2 people were injured there, he said, urging people to be careful. The onslaught came as Donald Trump lashed out at Volodymyr Zelensky for failing to support a U.S. peace plan, which would see Crimea and other Ukrainian territories handed to Russia. Like and subscribe for more.